As you can see, my amplifier have indented and the actual size is different in picture. And how come the amplifier D300 is 2 times by 300 watts, but the terminal is one only for the speaker and for the tweeter? So how become 2 times by 300 in one terminal? Please answer my...
Mali yung items na nilagay nila. Dismayado ako. Nakita ko kasi na malaki yung power output transistor. Tapos pagdating dito, tingnan niyo naman. Yan o. Ang liit. Malayong malayo sa nilagay nilang picture. Kaya masasabi ko lang, wag na kayo mag-order nito. Ano lang kayo, madidismaya lang kayo.